Yo, what's good, homies? So we're back at it with another video, and this is gonna be another LED lighting video, sponsored by yours truly, LASFIT. So this is my dad's car, 2018 Honda CRV, and I actually picked him up some headlights as well as fog lights. If you're looking for a set for your car, they're gonna be H11 for the headlight and H8 for the fog light. Now on the actual website itself, they're actually going to be the same bulb because they're universal fit. So they fit both H11 and H8. So you can pick up two sets of H11s or two sets of H8s. It's going to work perfectly fine. And then inside the box, you get 3 stickers as well as an elite club, I guess, for purchasing with them, and a product manual, everything about the actual headlight. They are 6K, so they're going to be a pure white, more of a cool white, not necessarily a blue, and they are 12,000 lumens, so they're super bright. I'm going to show you the after so that you can see what the before and the after looks like, and then I'll give you like a little run through of how to do the actual bulb install. So let's get to it. Shout out to my dad for turning on the lights. So we finally got the driver's side in, and it's really hard to pick it up on camera. Let me see if I can darken it up a bit. Okay, so that's the H11 bulb, and this is the H8 bulb, and from eye level, it's beyond ridiculous. We turned these on just to check if they were like the positive polarity, and it blinded me. My eyes actually hurt looking at these. But that's both bulbs in, and then these are the factory bulbs. So you can see these are a warmer white, and they actually don't project at all during the day. You can actually physically see that these are on. It's pretty sick. So to actually get these in, it's relatively straightforward. You want to pop the hood, and this is going to be the driver's side. So you're going to twist it, if I'm not mistaken, counterclockwise. It makes it a little easier to pop the actual socket out, and then the bulb will turn really easy. You just stick this one in. When you connect this back in, just turn on the actual headlights just to make sure that, again, the positive polarity is good. If it doesn't come on when you plug it in, flip the plug around and that'll fix it. And to do the bottom is pretty simple as well. Let me get down here to show you. So when you come under the CRV, this is the driver's side tire. There's going to be a push clip here and a second push clip here. Once you take these two out, this whole rubber piece goes in. You can actually push it out of the way and stick your hand back there, and just, like I said, unplugging the actual light makes it a little easier to be able to twist it. And then once you do that, get the new bulb in and do that plug test again to make sure the positive polarity. And once that's good, it'll turn on just like this. And I'm telling you, man, these things are ridiculously bright. And such amazing quality too from LASFIT. These are probably the best LEDs I've ever personally used. I had a previous company in the past. I won't mention any names, but they suck. Actually, I have my keys on me now. Let me see if I can turn these on real quick. These things, they look cool. They're actually a purple color. So they shine real nice like this, but there's no projection to it at all. So at night, I could probably only see like 6 feet in front of me, and that's it. I'm gonna give you guys a night comparison between the two cars, because obviously it's daytime, so you can't really see how far these are gonna project. But I'll do that later on, so you'll see that at the end of the video. I'm just gonna give you guys a time lapse of doing this side and show you the after results.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire.
this is at night. Now this is the update of how my lights look. So these are the other company's lights. They're not amazing by any means, and this is what I meant by how far they show. I'm not lighting up the back of that car. This is my dad's truck. As you can see, the little LASFIT logo he slapped on it. These are the LASFIT headlights and fog lights. Check this out. Look at the span that these hit. It's crazy. And he's lighting up the back of this BMW. These lights are sick. These are the LA Plus, if I'm not mistaken. If you also have a 2018 CRV, it is an H11 for the headlight and H8 for the fog light. Say hello, Ma.
What up?
But yeah, these are the lights, and they actually match perfect with the daytime running light of the car too. So that's pretty sick. The front of this car actually looks pretty nice. Pretty mint. But that's the update. Later.